Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today I've got a how to go from a daytime look to a nighttime look. This is the end result, and if you're curious, let's get started. To go from this daytime look to a nighttime look, we're going in with the same palette, the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. I'm going in with the color Rebellion, and I am going to concentrate that on that outer corner. And buff that out here. And at the lower lash line, but we can come back there. So just make it a little bit of a family here in the front. Just be careful because it's highly pigmented and we don't want to have to blend as a crazy person. Just grabbing a little bit of the Vivienne because that is underneath it and tone that edge down a little bit. We're going to take Rebellion more to the half portion of the eye. We're just going on top of what we had already going on. So there's a shimmer underneath, that doesn't matter, it just gives it that extra dimension. Don't look at this edge yet because I know it's not blended out yet, but we are getting there. So now I'm going in with that color Psycedelic and swoop that a little bit on top of that edge, so you have more of a blend feel vibe. You know, sparkles are good for a lot of things, also blending. Just put that nice and tight, nicely concentrated here in that inner corner of the eye, so when the light is catching it, you are really sparkling. Yeah, I like that. So there is no black in this palette. It's kind of a shame because I really want black. But we've got that Tilbury palette and that one has black in it. So just a little bit goes a long way. So just in that outer corner, just going to darken it up a little bit more. Just stamp it very lightly. Sweep it a little bit into that crease just to create more depth. And be careful with black because if you go with a buttload of pigment on your eye, then you can make your full eye black. So it's not black, it's not intense black. That was not my purpose. I just wanted to be there a little bit darker. So it's more that nighttime feel. Now we can go out all of a sudden. All the rules are gone. I think it's nice that we can go out again. Make ourselves pretty for it. So I'm going back in with that black and just swoop it at the lower lash line. I'm taking Rebellion and I'm just going on top of that black and drag it out a little bit more. So now I'm looking like Panda. That was not what I anticipated. So I am taking a little cotton bud and run that through. Yes, it will mess up my foundation, my base, but we can fix that with a little bit of concealer. Concealer here, concealer there. Just going in with a black Kohl pencil. This one is by Maxfactor. So going in with an extra layer of mascara. Now you can choose if you want to do a falsie or just another layer of mascara. Today I'm going to choose the last one. So just another layer of mascara for me and it's good. I don't know if this lipstick is still available in stores, but it's from Anastatia and it's the Pink Punch liquid lipstick. Now I know from the lipsticks of Anastatia, the liquid ones, that they're very drying on the lips and I don't like that feeling. You can do a essential oil underneath it. I'm using the lip treat by Trinny London. The beauty of that one is you don't have to take the balm off before you put another lipstick on. So let's try it with this lipstick on top of that balm. It's a hot pink, people. Hot pink. I never wear hot pink. So, oh my god, it's a hot pink. I feel like Barbie. So no, this is not going to be the lipstick that I want. Okay, with that balm underneath it, we can take it off very quickly. And it's still on there. Okay, next plan. Going in with Anastasia. Chrome Violet. So this is very dark purple. It's also a color that I'm never using, so don't laugh. Okay. Okay. Look, that's pretty. The only thing I hope is that the pigment is there, because purple can end up a little bit patchy. So this is the purple. It really is dark. So I'm going on top with Cali Sunset. It's more a pink with a shimmer. And I thought, why not? Just try it. It's a nice combination. There's the first time for everything. I never wear this dark purple on my lips with a hint of pink. So, but yeah, it suits the look. For the highlighter, because this looks is screaming for a highlighter, right? I am using from Fenty Beauty the How Many Carats? Not that orange thing, but the gold thing. as my highlighter. I like to wear this one to parties because for daytime it's too in your face. But I like it. Sometimes I like to beam, but not too much. After that, I'm going to spray my brush with my setting spray. This is the Nivea setting spray, and I am going to make it a little bit wet. Okay, and I really want this popping, so if you think that we're done, no we're not. Because I want that blush to stand out more. So I'm going in with the Maybelinne Fit Me blush in Colorette. Just to pop more. Nothing too much because underneath there is Lady J from Trinny London. So this enhances each other. The highlighter is going to be blended out more. So this is the nighttime look. So we have a quick transition from daytime to nighttime. I like that. Now I'm going to set it with the Set It and Forget It spray by Nivea. To glow that house down. So this is the tutorial for today. How to go from a daytime look to a nighttime look. This is the end result. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!